Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Come with me to Home Depot to get a replacement for my microwave bulb. So right now I'm looking for the right watt and right size for it. So I ended up getting a 20 watts, so this is the one I got, so stay tuned.
That's where you're gonna put this part as well. See, right in the hole right there. That's where you're gonna place it.
Okay, make sure your hands are clean.
You can see now that it's in. Just make sure you push it in the two holes. Make sure it's not bent. And make sure you push it all the way in. And then you're good to go. And you turn it on. That's it. All done.